Cinda, congratulations, the second place on the line. How difficult were the conditions today?
Yeah, it was a really hard day. Actually, I also dropped one time, but the game was really fast and hard, and everybody tried to get away, but nobody came in a really good escape. And yeah, Valentina did really good, and it was again a difficult final. And I heard my teammate and me crashed in the last corner, so yeah, it's sad, but again, a second place.
Well done. Congratulations. That was a great ride from you today. You must be very happy.
I would be happier if I stayed off the front, but it was exciting for 40K by myself.
Do you think it was a good birthday treat for you today?
Oh, definitely. On the hardest hill, there was actually a group of guys singing happy birthday to me every time I went up it, so that was pretty cool.
And one day left, tough day again tomorrow. I think the legs are going to come good for tomorrow again?
I hope so. I usually get better actually throughout stage races, so hopefully my legs will be good tomorrow too.
Okay. Valentina, congratulations. That was an amazing win for you today. You must be very happy.
Yeah, thank you. It was very important for me and for the team because I think we always work so well, and we deserved some win, because yesterday, we lost the third general classification place, and we wanted to show we fight. We never stopped to fight, and today I think we managed to show everyone that Cipollini is a nice team.
Emma, congratulations, another day in yellow. You must be very happy apart from that small little skirmish at 500 metres.
Yeah, no, I'm very happy. I'm still feeling good, and yeah, I can sort of see that crash coming. Annemiek was just coming way too fast on the outside corner, and then to take the last corner on the inside is not possible. So yeah, bad one, but still lucky to sort of not make any damage. And tomorrow is the last day, so gonna have some good recovery tonight, and hope for tomorrow it's gonna be a good day.